Good morning, KubeConf. Super excited to be here in London and share so many stories with all of you. As you can see, the venue is gigantic and there are more than 12,000, 15,000 people around. And it's crazy. Every time we move from one room to another, this is probably prime time. A lot of people are going to attend some sessions, solution. As you can see, it's getting very crowded and very messy. But this is the concept of this type of events. People sharing ideas, different organizations, different people that know each other from previous career, different jobs, come together, sharing ideas, and they return to their own environment, their own community, and share and innovate. So this is a great thing, so cross-pollination, and I really like because people speak all the languages of the world, and we are all united by the passion of technology. Follow me for more.